used for many reasons: to store milk, to feed a baby when the mother is away, or to help increase milk supply. Pumps are safe, easy to use, and designed to support the natural breastfeeding process. Baby bottle: why moms use breast pumps. Narrator. Mothers use pumps for different situations. When returning to work or school, feeding is also important in emergency situations or areas with limited access to clean water and healthcare. In such conditions, breast milk remains a safe and reliable source of nutrition, reducing the risk of malnutrition and infections. This makes breastfeeding especially valuable in low-resource settings, where it can significantly improve child survival rates. Thanks. Please remember to subscribe. Watch more. 3 main types of breast pumps. 1. Manual breast pumps. These pumps work by hand. They are small, quiet, and easy to carry. Best for moms who pump occasionally. 2. Electric single pumps. These use electricity or batteries. They are faster than manual pumps. Hey, I'm Mary. Cultural beliefs and family support also strongly influence breastfeeding practices. In communities where breastfeeding is encouraged and normalized, mothers are more likely to start and continue breastfeeding for a longer time. Education.